Hey guys, I'm going to take you through how I make my morning apple cider vinegar drink, which I've been drinking every morning. At first, for a long time, I've just been drinking warm lemon juice, and then I wanted to try out apple cider vinegar. What is apple cider vinegar? It is apple cider that has been fermented, and it gives it good probiotics and enzymes. The benefits of it are, from what I've read, they're mostly anecdotal. There is some scientific research, but not a ton of studies on it, so a lot of it is just from people's experience over the years. Apparently it's been used for thousands and thousands of years. But the benefits of it range from it regulating your blood sugar levels, to helping with acid reflux, to helping with weight loss, to improving skin, helping with blood pressure and digestion and gut problems, and all sorts of different things. So I decided I wanted to try it, incorporate it into my diet, and see what happens. And so today I'm going to share with you this drink to getting it down. I heard that it was really tough to take. Some people shoot it and it burns their throat, and then other people try to mix it into other things and found it just destroyed drinks because it's strong. But this I like. I actually love this. This is my second one today. So let's get to it. When purchasing your apple cider vinegar, make sure you get the kind that says with the mother in it, and it will have these sort of little floaties all in the bottom. This one's already shook up so you can't really see, but just make sure that you get the right kind.